These types of forums like YOUNGA are incredible because they help you connect with a global group of people who are also trying to lead change, to try to solve some of the world's most difficult problems that we need to solve.
We call on all governments, international institutions, and YOUNGA delegates to come together to help address the profound inequities facing our youth and our world.
Make a choice to come and surround yourself with people who are like-minded, who believe in each other and believe in the future.
Whenever you're presented with a situation, you can either focus on what doesn't work, or you can go and focus on how you're actually going to transform things based on what you have. And what you have is always a lot.
And what this generation needs more than anything, we need critical thinkers. Think out the box. Fight for what you believe in, stand up for what you believe in. That's what the world needs.
As an individual, we can forget the power that we have to create change. And so YOUNGA to me is a community in which you find your purpose in our future.
We're all a team. We're all moving this boulder together. That's what it really takes. It's not just one person's thing or one movie that's going to do it or one business idea. It's going to take a collective, conscious effort.
Events like YOUNGA are important because it's a really crucial moment to breathe innovation and creativity and to be constructively disruptive.
These platforms like YOUNGA are amazing so that people can connect with each other and find their passions together.
The dialogues that take place here is equipping future leaders to envision the kind of world that they want to see.
And it's important that we learn intergenerationally so that we're also listening and learning from young people from around the world.
We can all be learning from each other, and we're really ultimately all working towards the same thing.